In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix storage on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to apps and then wait a few seconds, click on apps here and it will take you directly to this page right here. As you can see, let's wait. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is choose one of these. For example, I'm gonna choose TikTok, and here all what you have to do is simple. Just click on the storage option and wait a few seconds and it will start computing your data. Now after it finish, all what you have to do is simple. Just click here on clear data and you will free up, imagine 2 gigabytes of storage, and then click on clear cache to free up 67 megabytes. And yeah, you can do the same thing with all the apps. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.